It's Friday, it's June 26th, the last Friday in June, of course, and this has been an unusual month because we typically see quite a bit of hail in Colorado in the month of June. Haven't had much this month, but don't get me wrong, it's a good thing. That could change a little bit today. We do have a threat for severe weather this afternoon. For the metro area, it's mainly between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. For the eastern plains, it'll be after 4 o'clock, and by that point, we should really be winding down with the threat here in the metro area. The concerns are hail up to about an inch in diameter, 60-plus mile-per-hour wind, and maybe a few isolated weak tornadoes in the state today as well. We'll start the future cast here around 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can see the thunderstorm activity already developing in the foothills west of town, and then those storms making their way across the Denver metro area. By 6 p.m., the storm should be on the eastern plains, and then by 9 o'clock tonight, those storms should quickly be moving east of our state into Kansas and Nebraska. We're most concerned about the area shaded in yellow. That's where the threat is slight, or 2 on the scale that goes from 1 to 5. The rest of us under a marginal threat. This does include, by the way, Douglas County and central and eastern Adams and Arapahoe counties, Elbert County included as well. So if you're in places like Castle Rock, Franktown, Parker, Lone Tree, southeast Aurora, you've got a little higher threat than the rest of us. Here's 5 p.m. today. You can see those showers spread across the state as the storm system behind the cold front that passed last night moves across Colorado. And then that storm will be right over our state tomorrow. The best lift and situation ahead of the storm, so it's going to be over here where most of the rain will be. So bottom line for Saturday, most of the storms will be east of the metro area, but can't rule out a storm or two. Temperatures today only in the upper 70s to around 80 or 15 degrees below where we were yesterday. Tomorrow we're back up to near 90. We'll stay in the 90s on Sunday, really heating up Monday, 95, but the record's 102. Next week, most of the week is in the 80s. Then we could return perhaps to the 90s a week from tomorrow, 4th of July.